Hi, and welcome to RedTrack. Today we'll talk about a very useful, as usual, quite well hidden feature of RedTrack, which is called parameter roles or report roles that helps you analyze data better cross-campaign, cross-channel for your office or for your web properties, websites, eShop. And thank you for one of our clients for allowing us to use their account demonstrated on the live data at their great but rather modest volumes in comparison to other accounts we have as a playground to make it very easy to comprehend. So, without further ado, let's jump into RedTrack account and talk about traffic channel roles or parameter roles. Why it's easy? Because in here we have just two channels. One is Facebook, everything else is all the other campaigns. And assume we want to see the, because inside this Facebook are multiple Facebook campaigns, inside this all the other traffic are probably multiple other data points that we identify as campaigns. We want to see that. You can do this by going to campaigns, for example, and then go to reports, grouping, and then do this sub 6, and you already probably know very good, but let's do sub 6 campaign name. Do for the last, well, apply. We have campaigns for the Facebook for hobbies. Amazing. I want to see what data this will show us for other source of traffic for all those attributed campaigns. We go here and we go to reports. Again, grouping. In here we know that we have campaign name in sub 3. So apply. Okay, we have some data here as well. Even more. Cool. But again, it's two reports. I want to see it all on the website level. Because I have the website, I have all the traffic. So why can't I see it in here? Because we have these campaigns. So go to grouping, and we can do like RedTrack campaigns, which will give us just those Facebook and hobbies. What if I want to see these inside the Facebook, the one in sub 6, and this one coming from sub 3? Of course, I can do like this. I have to remember that sub 6 is campaign names for Facebook, because they might be different from different traffic channels. And here we go. But of course, for hobbies, it will be different. So I can either mess it up a bit and do in here a sub 3. And well, it's a workaround. It's not the best one. It's somewhat usable, although don't already compare like apples to apples because you have two parameters. Imagine you run multiple RedTrack campaigns. You want to see all data in one place. What do? We use roles. And in RedTrack, we have multiple roles that you can assign to a tracking template. You can see some of them here. The one with IDs, I suggest don't touch. You want to change it, put none, change, put the role back. Those roles are assigned to the integrations. And then we have data roles. We have all the popular things from source to medium to campaign to ad group to ad to placement to keyword. And we actually now have two spare roles that you can use for whatever parameters you want. One of those can be, for example, for larger teams, can be your media buyer. So then you can easily see historically, anytime in the past, who was the media buyer behind those campaigns. It's quite a popular way to build consolidate reports across media buyers in RedTrack. So we have those free roles, and you can use them whatever you want. And these roles are visible in two places. Number one, we'll close this. You go to these reports, and instead of using those all the subs, you use roles. Because we have set up that for one sub 6 in Facebook, it will be campaign, and for sub 3, In attribute traffic, it will be campaign. So we just use the role, clean this up, apply, pom. We have everything across all the campaigns that we capture with the roles. That's very easy to use. Of course, we can probably do the other way around, like we've decided. We can do campaign, and then we can do RT roles, campaign, and now we can use the other roles. Same again, we can use, for example, ad group and ad. And you don't have to remember which sub ID you use for ad group or ad in Facebook. You know there is a role for that. So we go to here, we see all the campaigns, we see all the ad groups, we see all that, and of course with clicks, costs, updates, everything up to ad level. So that's one way to use the roles. And the other one is Ads Manager. In here you have only roles. They are hard-coded for you. Campaign, ad group, ad. You can slightly change them, but that's it. It allows you to consolidate cross campaign, cross everything data. Like in here you have everything, and then you can start to narrow it down by either website or by traffic channel and use it to see the performance of specific campaigns. And here, if we have Ads Manager feature active, you can start pausing campaigns, ads, and just small head-ups will be extending and giving you more and more options to manage your Facebook, TikTok, now Google is in testing, and other channels from RedTrack Ads Manager. Not only pause and restart, but multiple other options starting with seeing impressions. So if you want us to do anything, help us shape our roadmap, don't hesitate to let us know in multiple comments. Thank you. We covered the use of roles in RedTrack to consolidate your data either in Ads Manager or in cross-campaign reports on the website or brand level. Hope you'll find it useful. You also learned about free roles that you use to consolidate the data, for example, to analyze the performance of a media buys. And don't forget that all those roles are also available in the logs as well. If you scroll in the logs, you can find all the data, not only reports, but in the logs. So feel free to use it. Thank you for using RedTrack, and till the next video. Bye.